This is a 7th grade student-led workshop for pre-service teachers, and the schools are Emerson Middle School and CSU Bakersfield. The learning goal was for the 7th grade students to facilitate a workshop on methods for creating virtual reality for pre-service credential candidates. The workshop agenda included introducing the stations for 5 minutes, a 3-station rotation at 10 minutes each, and debriefing for 5 minutes. The stations included a virtual reality with Sketchfab station, 3D scanning with Scanect, and 3D modeling with Tinkercad. Here you can actually see a clip from the workshop in action. On the foreground you see our 3D modeling station. On the middle right you see the virtual reality station, and in the far back right you can see the 3D scanning. This is actually the 3D scanning from up close. You can see the students facilitating the scanning for Cal State students. This is an actual scan from the previous scene that was created. These scans were later published into Sketchfab. This is a 3D model created by a student for her 7th grade science class. The model was created with Tinkercad. And here you can see the final model published to virtual reality in sketchfab.com.